Y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a quick video for you to see some behind the scenes when I'm actually out on installation. So this is going to be 2 chevron balloon columns, approximately 8 feet tall. This is going to be, again, a little bit more behind the scenes, but I'm going to take an opportunity in between some of the setup to give you some tips and tricks, okay? And again, this is a chevron, so if you've never seen that, I'm going to make sure I give you some information on how to create that pattern. So all of the balloons for the 8-foot columns are blown up to approximately 9 to 10 inches. That's 10 inches. So that'll be up to you what you choose. So it depends if you're working with an 11-inch balloon or a 12-inch balloon. And then I'm going to show you how to create the chevron pattern. Okay, stay tuned.
They did?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Up to you. Okay.
Well, you need another blue?
Yep.
And then some orange?
No, I need. Yeah.
Two blue?
Now I need all arms. All right. Now I'm going to the 5th row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 blue, 2 orange. So it's the orange in front. Make sure you stand back and look. Should go up. 1, 2, 3, up. All right. So now we're doing, what are we doing? All blue. How do you know that? So you know what's next?
2 blue, 2 orange. Then 2 orange.
Okay, you say something. So much. So this is 7.
Just for us.
So what color goes on the outside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What row is it? 7?
Yeah. You're about to do something.
This is the 7th one.
Yeah.
So the dark blue is on. All right, what's next? This up a little bit. How many more? Yes, I won't do that. I can put 3 more. I can put 3 more in there. Hold that. What am I putting away? What roll on? So the lines go. All right, now stand back. So
Orange is in the front.
it would have been where?
Orange is right here.
It would have been right here.
Yeah.
All right, I want to blow up the topper. I'm going to tie this to the topper, and then I'm going to pull this in. It won't be on the pole. All right. So this bag should have a topper in it. See if you can find one. Or white. Okay, give me those quads. You said the orange is going to be in the middle?
Yes. All right,
there is the chevron. There are 11 rows of 11-inch rounds, 2-color scheme, inflated to approximately 10 inches. I ran out of pole, so I should have probably inflated these balloons to 8 inches. I think I blew them up to like 10, no problem. I just went ahead and added the last row of quads to the topper and tied it in and secured it tightly around the pole. And this is indoors, so that works. If this is outdoors, I might would have had to figure out something else, but this worked. All right, there is a chevron column.